If you want to turn off or disable the vibration feature of your PS Portal's controller and the adaptive triggers so that you can conserve battery life, or if you want to adjust the vibration intensity, then let me show you how you can turn on or turn off the vibration feature of your PlayStation Portal. To toggle your PS Portal's vibration, you'll need to open the settings menu, which you can do by swiping left from the top right corner. Then tap on settings, go to controller, and here's your vibration settings. The first one is the controller handles vibration intensity. And now you can either tone it down or turn it off completely. The second option will be the trigger effect intensity. This is your trigger's vibration and the resistance effect. And similarly, you can either adjust its intensity or disable it completely. Now you know how you can turn off your PS Portal's vibration feature completely. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more PS Portal guides, and I'll see you in the next one.